You've mentioned AI, like we see crazy evaluations every single day. Your opinion is that AI is here to stay. I think it's also really interesting.
100%.
But what do you think drives these evaluations right now? Is it is it purely hype?
No, it's not purely hype. In AI in particular, look, I'm going to say something very, very direct, but so I can try to express our view. We have all the US Americans, they doing all in AI. That's the reality. They are building up highways with 6 lanes. It means if you see right now what's happening, Microsoft invested in Mistral, I think yesterday or today. They are really, really betting. There is a run to AI, towards AI, which is super, super important. That, of course, will create a hype. Our vision, for instance, is that, of course, AI is here to stay. Generative AI will have a massive impact. But before there will be an explosion in terms of usage, or actual usage of AI applications or software AI-driven applications, probably we need to fix, and that's where probably the opportunity will stay, will be in the next couple of years, the infrastructural element. Because I'll give you an example. If we expect the whole world will use generative AI, how much computing power we will need in terms of data centers? And will be the data centers the only option? So for instance, we are very keen to edge computing in that sense. And the other element is everything around data governance, which is super, super important. Again, we talk to banks or other organizations. They do all have a budget for AI. They have difficulties to spend it, because whenever they try to use a specific technology system, does not comply with the data element. So, for instance, we made an investment in a company called Aindo. We strongly believe that data governance will offer opportunities of innovation and venture capital investment. This company, what they do a digital twin on synthetic data of very critical industry. So they take the data set, they anonymize, build up a digital twin on data, and run algorithm on AI on it, and train on them. And of course, that will give accessibility by specific industry in using AI, of course, being compliant. And again, so our view is that probably in 2-3 years' time, again, back on the question, how we see the market, the infrastructure layer, data governance layer would be very critical, and probably a startup will actually go there and find an opportunity to fix those elements. Going forward, there likely would be a mass application on AI.